Wow, guys, it's raining cats and dogs. I'm over here in Round Rock, Texas. Look at this. Woo! There's severe thunderstorms. Look at that car over there in the front over there. The lights blinking. Yep. It's raining like crazy. You can barely see, man, the road. Yep. They were expecting some bad rain, so yeah, that's what it looks like. Bad storm. I guess, yeah, we needed the rain, man. We needed the rain, so that's a good thing. More rain, the better. Grass grows. More cutting grass. More work for us. Alright, guys, just want to give you a little heads up on how it's out here in Round Rock, Texas. It's raining hard. Alright, guys, in the next video we'll see you.